Okay, good evening, everybody. This will be the Bitcoin and some other alts update for January 28th. Let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick. And basically what I was talking about last night, holding the 200-day moving average, last night there was some resistance at the 233. And once you saw that break tonight, that basically led to this pump right here. I was originally thinking we would hit this somewhere in between 9,300 and 9,500 area. And we're starting to stall out there in between, right at 94.61. And I will show you, because some people wonder, why do we stop where we stop? Well, it's a fib retracement. It's the 1272 of this high to this low, and that's where we're stopping at. So this little area right here is going to be some resistance for sure. And might even, we'll see. Tomorrow it could put in a doji. Price is over the Bollinger Band, at least on the previous candle. This one is just hugging it barely right now. So outside chance that we could possibly pop to 96, 9,700, maybe even 9,800. So I wouldn't be surprised if we got a wick, but I'm not expecting that. I'm really kind of expecting that maybe we just hold in this area and maybe go sideways, even maybe come down and retest the 233-day moving average right here. That would be 9,100. Let's let that 10 EMA come and catch up. It's crossing through the 200 right now, so let's let it catch up and see if it can hold that on any kind of a retrace. So that's Bitcoin. Let's go over and take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum has not broken this high over here yet. It is breaking above the 200-day moving average, as we see right here, which was resistance yesterday. So it's breaking above that. So maybe it gets a nice little run here. You got a big-time fib cluster up here at 183, 184 area. And beyond that, you got the 233, which will probably be some resistance around 191. Beyond that, it could just take right off to 200. But let's take one step at a time and see what happens there. Litecoin is into and very close to back to the resistance level. Okay, it was close yesterday, starting to try and break the 200-day moving average. Upper Bollinger Band resistance right in the middle of that resistance area, around 63, 64. So just watch that. Don't be too greedy. XRP. Basically, this one here has been really weak compared to the rest of the market. But this is a nice reversal pattern. May need a little bit more time to take off. It is holding the 10 EMA. So if you are long this, just trail your stop up, in my opinion, to the 10 EMA, probably slightly below that. Just trail it up, depending on where you got in, obviously. Let's go take a look at XTZ. And pretty much the same thing. As we talked about last night, it's just kind of meandering around in this little area right in here. It's just kind of slow churning, going up while the indicator is going down. So we've got a little bit of a divergence there. Let's keep an eye on that. Watch your 10 EMA, watch your 20 EOS. This one looks like it could see 425 area before it pulls back in a little bit. That would be the upper Bollinger Band, and it would be the 1272 of this retrace. Okay, this retrace right here. So expecting a move up to 425. Just watch that one. BAT, and we'll close it out. Well, I'll do Link as well. This one above the 200 and 233-day moving average, still holding the 10 on this little retrace. Just kind of wicking all over the place here. So. But then again, it is in the cents, right? It's not dollars. But just, I would obviously you want to see a break above 24. That would bring on the next resistance up here around 20, almost 27 cents. Let's go take a look at Link. This will be the last one for tonight. Doing a nice job of holding the 10 EMA after breaking it 1, 2, and possibly 3 days of holding it. Next resistance up around 283. So that's what I've got for tonight's update, guys. Be careful out there. Watch your charts and stay safe. If you like everything, please hit the like button at the bottom, or subscribe button at the bottom right. Would appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Have a good evening.